What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go to Bryan's house. If you've been watching our videos, you probably heard us talk about his WRX being messed up. So we're finally gonna take it to the shop. It's been sitting in his garage. We have Paco today with us. We're gonna go over there and try to get a tow truck, get it on the truck, and then get it out to the shop today. So let's take a ride and we'll go see Bryan in a second. It's the clapped out Nissan. Dude, it needs low so bad.
It does need low. Damn.
I fucking like how it looks though, either way.
Need more low. Oh shit.
Here's the WRX. It's been sitting here for I don't know how long. Like a month or two. More than that, probably.
Hey, I know those wheels.
Weren't those your wheels?
Yeah, those are mine. They're still not paid.
Well, you gotta call a tow truck so we can get this out of here. Got the stock wheels too. The black wheels from our first video, which he never got around to do anything with that. I think he's trying to sell them. Yeah, let's get to work.
This is why I need new coilovers. Look at the top head over there. There's a bolt.
God damn.
Oh shit.
You guys see anything missing there?
10 out of 10 would not recommend for you to drive on the highway at full wide open throttle. Bro, you been driving like that?
Yeah, dude, but I wasn't dogging or anything. It was just like I kept it below 60, dude, and I would just drive on the back road just in case.
Supposed to be something here. Supposed to be something here.
Like so.
As you can see on the other side. I was using my gray to match my shorts and my hat. You know?
We rate each other's minds, dude. Yeah.
Gay. Alright, tow truck is here. We got the Subaru out of the garage. We're gonna get it towed in there and take it to the shop finally. Took a little while, we had to wait about 30-40 minutes I think. So once we get in there, then we'll get it on top of the tow truck. Should be. Look at that boy all sad and shit. The front might scrape a little bit.
Go-kart engine?
The car's a little too low, so we need to put some planks in there so they can get it up, and then it should be all right. What?
I'm sweating already, bro.
Yeah, bro, weak. Damn.
Like Houston, where there ain't no joke, man. I'm tired of this shit.
It's a Subaru in its natural element. That's what Bryan says. I'm kind of glad I'm out of that gang already.
It's the third time I think in the 6 years since I've owned the car.
Third time?
Third time it's been towed for the 6 years I've owned the car.
Wow. Yeah, I'm done with that. I was out after the first 2 years I had one.